Hello, beautiful people. If you are new to my channel, hi, how you doing? Welcome. My name is Carla. I am a beauty, lifestyle, and content reviewer. And today, I got my goodies came. I, this is totally, with my own money. I got my package of Curology. Yes. So, I just got it. I'm going to unbox it with you guys. And we're just going to have like a little chit chat about why I decided, what I got in here, and how I plan on using it and the results I hope to see, okay? So if this is a video that you would find interesting to watch, or if you just want to watch me, feel free to stay. I don't mind. Hey, you family. Hopefully I make you a subscriber out of what you're seeing and what you get from me, okay? So stay right there. Don't you move. Let's open. All right, here we go. So first, I'll give you a little background about my skin while I open this. I have combination oily skin. I suffer with hyperpigmentation and hormonal breakouts, just like everyone else. Okay? So I came across this from watching another YouTuber this video, and she is of, oh shoot, this is kind of hard to get out, y'all. So she the influencer name is Andrea Renee. I love her. I love her videos. I love her personality, and she of course is a beauty influencer. So she was and I'm sure if you watch some of the infomercials on Instagram, you've seen her, of course. But she was reviewing Curology and saying how well it worked for her skin and what she, is doing and suffering with. So I said, why not? So this here is a trial box. I paid $5 shipping and handling. And it's kind of cool. Oh, there it is. It's kind of cool how it's set up, because when you're online, they ask you a series of skincare questions, things that like what you want your skin to do, or what you are tackling or battling with. And this is a customized skincare. So guys, I was like, I can't fail, I mean, it's a good 30-day trial. It's for me to see if I get any results. And from what I've seen on YouTube with other people using Curology, it seems pretty bomb to me. Okay, so they send you, all right, so I got it fully open, and in the box it says, yes, let's do this. Okay, so this is what we get first, a card. Come hang with Curology, and it basically tells you the steps. It's a 3-step system: cleanser, and then there's a custom formula in here for you, and a moisturizer. And it tells you it's made by dermatologists. So this is the card. All right. And it also tells you, they give you this it's like a little pamphlet, and it tells you like what's in the skincare and any things you need to do before using the skincare. Of course, like wash your hands, apply the medicated ointment before bed. So I am going to follow the directions. Now, what I plan on doing with this Curology series, why don't I do a series? Once a week, I am going to report back with you guys and let you know each week what I see my skin doing. Just real quick, like, hey y'all, this is my skin, this is what it's looking like. Maybe do like a week 1 to week 2, week 2 to week 3 type of thing. I'll do something like that just to see, you know, from a real person, real standpoint, does this work? Will this work? If you have my complexion, if you have if your skin is like mine, I want you guys to see, like, just like I want to see, is this true before committing? Because if you want to commit, there is plans and things that you could commit to in this with Curology. But so far, I was like, I'm gonna do a trial just to see, you know, if this works. And if it does work, great. If it doesn't work, I only spent $5. Look at it that way, okay? So I'm just, you know, gonna keep moving on. This is a great unboxing. So this is an emergency spot patch. Wow. So if you suddenly have a spot, you need to apply this patch to the problem spot, wait 6 to 24 hours, then peel it off. Repeat daily as needed. So if I have a big old buster, like, I should be able to use this, okay? So that's kind of cool they gave you that. That's kind of cool. All right. Now, here are the things that we need. Okay, so let's start. This is the cleanser. Here we go. Don't mind my nails, are torn now. So the cleanser is 1.4 fluid ounces. And this cleanser should be used twice daily, morning and night. Okay. And of course on the bottom it says non-clogging. Okay. Next, this must be the treatment that I am to apply only at night. Only at night. And it has a whole lot of ingredients in here that I'm not gonna even try to pronounce. But yes, I am supposed to use this at night, okay? And you know what I like about this company is that after I did my initial, you know, essay or whatever online, there was I guess, dermatologist, nurse practitioner that reached out to me via text and said, this is what I came up with. Look at your email. I emailed you. These are some steps and some things that I wanted to do based off of your skin. And oh, you also have to take pictures of what your skin looks like, makeup free, from the front and the sides, just to give them an idea of what your skin really looks like. So I was like, this is really thorough. This is really cool. It's no different than I feel like when you go to your dermatologist, and you know, they're looking at your skin very closely and give you recommendations. So this is the treatment. Oh, so it's a pump. So this is the treatment, and it's actually really full. So all right. And I apply this just at night. Okay, just at night. So I'm gonna say I might need to tweak my morning skincare routine a little bit. Just kind of hit it with the cleanser and this moisturizer applied to face and neck after cleansing morning and night. Okay, so here's the question I have. Oh, and it's a pump too. So my question with the moisturizer would be, because of me trying to correct the dark spots and my hyperpigmentation, does this have SPF in it? And I'm going to have to look that up, because if it doesn't, then this is also a moisturizer I will only be using at night, and I will stick with my SPF moisturizer at home that I'm already using. So with this moisturizer, I'm looking to see if it has SPF. I'll be back. Okay, so Curology, this is one little tiny problem I'm having. You guys sent cute packaging, but it doesn't state if it has SPF in your moisturizer. Okay, so initially I'm probably gonna have to go online. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to go online and look to see if there is SPF in there. If it's not, then that will definitely be a moisturizer just to use at night, because yeah, I'm not chancing it, and I wouldn't advise you guys to either. Also, I'm not double moisturizing because I'm already greasy. Okay, so you guys, this is the start of my Curology journey for the next 30 days. I'm glad that you stay with me to unbox. I'm sure somewhere down the line, I'm either gonna be very happy with my results or pissed off. Either way, it will be a real and truthful and honest opinion, all right? Until next time, guys, you know, I love y'all. Thank you guys for being there, holding it down. And hey, like this video if you like it, if you want to see more of me. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And if you haven't already, maybe try watching another one or two or three or four of my videos, and maybe I will convince you to subscribe, okay? Come on, join me, you know, join me. I'm easy. So until next week, or the next few days, or could be next hour, you just never know. That's why you need to have your notification gang on. Okay, I'll see y'all soon. Love y'all. All right, bye.